I'm not going to lie, the ocean is one of the main reasons I chose to relocate to Savannah. Yeah, okay, my parents live here too, but let's be honest, the beach is much more exciting. Being able to live by the beach is very appealing, but because we are on the ocean, we are more susceptible to hurricanes. However, we've been very lucky and we have not had severe hurricanes very frequently. According to hurricanecity.com, Hurricane Irene hit in 1999, and then the next big hurricane wasn't until 2016 with Hurricane Matthew.